Ever wish life had a cheat code? Today, I'm sharing 10 genius life hacks that are simple, powerful, and can totally upgrade your routine. These aren't just tips, they're the cheat codes you've been looking for. Get ready to level up your life because we're starting right now. First up, we have time blocking, a powerful technique to supercharge your productivity. It's all about taking control of your schedule and allocating specific time slots for specific tasks. Instead of relying on a never-ending to-do list that constantly overwhelms you, schedule everything. Work tasks, responding to emails, and even your lunch break. Put it right on your calendar. This proactive approach eliminates decision fatigue, that mental exhaustion that comes from constantly deciding what to do next, and it keeps you laser-focused on the task at hand. Top performers use this strategy to protect their valuable time, prioritize effectively, and ultimately get more done in less time. When it's time for deep, focused work, turn off all those distracting notifications and just execute with unwavering focus. You'll be absolutely amazed at just how much you can accomplish when you dedicate uninterrupted time to your most important tasks. Tired of typing the same emails? Create templates for your most common replies. Save them as signatures or canned responses. Now it's just 2 clicks. This saves time, reduces stress, and frees up your brain for what matters. Stop being an email typist, be an email commander. Try a done list. Instead of just tracking what you need to do, write down everything you finish. Seeing your accomplishments builds motivation and gives you a real sense of progress. It's a powerful tool against burnout. Give yourself that daily pat on the back. Automate your bill payments. Set it up once and never worry about due dates or late fees again. It's like hiring a free robot accountant. You'll save money, stress, and mental energy. Set it up and just check it once in a while. Master keyboard shortcuts beyond copy and paste, like switching tabs, opening new windows, or finding text. These tiny time savers add up to hours each year. I forced myself to use only shortcuts for a day, and felt like I had superpowers. Unlock God mode for your computer. Batch similar tasks together. Answer emails in one block. Make all your calls at once. This reduces context switching and keeps your brain in the zone. You'll get more done with less fatigue. It's like putting your productivity on cruise control. The 2-minute rule. It's a deceptively simple yet incredibly powerful tool in the fight against procrastination. It's designed to help you overcome that initial inertia and get you moving. The core idea is this: if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately, without hesitation. Don't let it linger in your mind, taking up valuable mental space. Don't write it down on a to-do list, or save it for later, when you might have more time. Just do it right now. The immediate action is key. This seemingly small act prevents little things from piling up into overwhelming mountains of tasks, and it builds momentum for tackling larger projects. I personally use this technique to keep my workspace consistently clean and organized throughout the entire week, and the results were fantastic. It's a remarkably simple yet effective way to crush procrastination and regain control over your time and tasks. Prep for your morning the night before. Lay out clothes, pack your bag, put your essentials in one spot. You'll eliminate stress and wasted time. Your morning becomes automatic and peaceful. It's a gift to your future self. Late night cravings? Try a spoonful of peanut butter. The protein and healthy fats keep you full and satisfied, stopping the urge to snack. It's a weird trick, but it works. Next time you want chips at midnight, grab the peanut butter instead. Struggling to focus in a noisy place? Use a white noise app. The steady sound masks distractions and helps you concentrate. I used rain sounds in a busy cafe and got into deep work mode fast. It's a simple way to protect your focus anywhere. That's 10! We've reached the end of our countdown, but the journey to a more efficient life is just beginning. 10 genius hacks meticulously curated to make your life easier, more productive, and a little bit more fun. These aren't just quick fixes. They're clever solutions designed to streamline your day-to-day. Now the big question, which one will you try first? Perhaps the one that resonated most, or maybe the one that solves your biggest daily challenge. Comment below and share your own life hacks. We're building a community of resourceful individuals, and your insights could be the missing piece for someone else. Let's learn and grow together. If you found this helpful, or even just mildly entertaining, hit subscribe for more clever tips and tricks delivered fresh every week. We're constantly exploring new ways to make life a little bit easier.